Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Payoneer for automatic currency conversion. I just log into my account, just tap on action and the last option is convert currencies. Just tap on it. So after inside the convert currencies, you will see the amount to transfer in USDT and the receiver got in this currency like Japan. If I want to change it, I just tap on it and there are the 6 currencies. You choose any one. So I will just tab on this euro balance because my receiver is in Europe country in France. So I will just enter the amount $160 and you will see the all procedure, how much cut the fees and the amount he will get 158.20 USDT and in euros 147.16 euros he will get it after I transfer. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.